This video is all about finding the value of a plus b when a plus 2ab plus b is equal to 6. Now let's solve that particular problem. Now we have a plus 2ab plus b equal to 6. Now let's multiply both sides by 2. You have 2a plus 4ab plus 2b equal to what? 12. Now let's factorize this. You have 2a as a common factor. So 2a will now give you 1. 2a divided 2a will give you 1 plus 2a, 4a be divided by 2, a will give you what? 2b plus, now we have 2b is equal to what? 12. So now for us to make this common, we now need to add 1 here. So if we add 1 here, we needed to also add 1 here. So we'll now have 2a into 1 plus 2b plus 2b plus 1 equal to 12 plus 1. So we now have this and this common. So you have 2a into 2b plus 1 plus 2b plus 1 equal to what? 13. Now 2b plus 1 is common here. So let's factor it out. You have 2b plus 1. We use 2b plus 1 to divide this first term. You have 2a. If you use 2b plus 1 to divide itself, you have plus 1 equal to what? 13. So now we have 13. Now, what are the factors of 13 that when you multiply them, it will give you 13? You have 1 and 13, 13 and 1 minus 1 minus 13 minus 13 minus 1. So these are the factors of 13 that when you multiply them, it will give you what? 13. So now 2b plus 1 now should be this first numbers, this first series of numbers. Then so that means we can now say 2b plus 1 is equal to 1, 13 minus 1 or minus 13. So now then 2a plus 1 is equal to 13, 1 minus 13 or minus 1. So that when you multiply 1 plus 13, you can have 13. 13 times 1 have 13 minus 1 times minus 13 will be 13. So just like that. So we have gotten two equations, equation 1 and what? Equation 2. So we have, that means we have 2a plus 1 equal to what? Equal to 13, 1 minus 13 minus 1. Then 2b plus 1 equal to 1, 13 minus 1 minus 13. So this is equation 2 and this is equation 1. So adding, let me just write it. Adding equation 1 and equation 2 together. So together you now have 2, this plus this, you have 2a plus 2b plus 1 is 2 equal to 13 plus 1 will give you 14. 1 plus 13 will give you 14. Minus 13 minus 1 will give you minus 14. This same thing minus 14. So this is equation 3. Now we have 2 is common here. You have 2 into a plus b plus 1 equal to what? 14. 14 minus 14 or minus 14. Now, divide both sides of the equation by 2. You now have these two cancel out. You have a plus b plus 1 equal to what? 7. 7 minus 7 minus 7. So if you move this minus, if you move this plus 1 to this other side, it becomes minus. So you have a plus b equal to 7 minus 1, 7 minus 1, minus 7 minus 1, minus 7 minus 1. So that means that a plus b is equal to 6. 6 minus 8 minus 8. So the answer for a plus b is equal to 6 or minus 8. So this is the answer. So thank you for watching to the end. Have a nice day.